Army Recognition editorial team is in the Military Air Force base in Beauvechain, in the center of Belgium. After many years, the Helidays is come back in Belgium. This event is an air show, but not the conventional air show. This event hosts many international helicopters from many countries, including United States, Netherlands, France, Belgium and Czech Republic. The Mi-35 or Mi-24V is a Soviet-made attack helicopter in service with the Czech Air Force. It can also carry air troops in the rear part, which can fire with small arms via windows on each side of the helicopters. Under the nose there is also a revolving turret with a 4-barrel rotating machine gun of 12.7mm caliber. Second armament includes also missiles of 57mm, air bombs or anti-tank missile mounted on each side of the helicopter.
My name is Marcus Krone. I'm the captain of this Mark 41 Sea King aircraft, which is based at Nordholz in Germany. It's part of the German Navy and the German Navy aviation branch. We are doing search and rescue with this helicopter, basically 7 days a week, 365 days a year. The big nose in front is the coverage for our radar antenna, which gives us the possibility to operate under various and bad weather conditions. We have a navigator who is able to bring us, even without any visibility, to our operational areas. The cage that you can see on the right hand side is attached to our rescue hoist, which is also one of our main assets to bring survivors either from the water or from ships to our helicopter to bring them safely to hospitals or other places where they can be taken care of them.
My name is Thorsten Klimek. I'm from the German Navy and we are here with an EC-135 helicopter we use for training of the young pilots which are coming from the ground school. In the ground school they also fly EC-135 with the German Army. And when they come to us and wait for their conversion to Sea King helicopter or Sea Lynx helicopter, then we start training and make a navalization, something like that. Tell them or show them how to fly over water, what the procedures are. Main specification is a difference to normal EC-135. It has an undercarriage where you can build on floats, and on the left-hand side of the undercarriage we also carry our survival boat or a rescue boat. We don't want to use, but they have to carry it. It has a weather radar, and then it has a glass cockpit with the newest avionics and computer in it. It's a twin-engine aircraft, and it's a single-pilot aircraft.
The Agusta A109 is a conventional helicopter used by the Belgian Air Force. This version is a medevac version used to evacuate wounded soldiers.
Good afternoon. We have the A64 Delta Apache helicopter from the Royal Netherlands Air Force. And its main purpose, it was invented as an anti-tank weapon. We have three types of weapons that we can carry with the Apache, and most of them are also laser guided. So we have, as a primary weapon, we have the Hellfire missiles. Those are the big laser-fired, laser-guided missiles that we have. And we have two different types of missiles. Their primary purpose is to defeat tanks, to defeat heavy armored vehicles. But they're also used as anti-personnel weapons. Then we also have the 30mm cannon, which is mounted under the nose. There's two ways of firing the cannon. One is also laser guided, but the other is also with the helmet. As you see, the Apache pilots have what we call an HDU in front of the eye. And with that device they can point at a target. They can just look at the target, and the gun will also point in that direction, and that's also how they can fire at a target. And the 30mm cannon, it can shoot around 600 rounds per minute, so 10 rounds per second, and every round is a high explosive, and also armor penetrating round. So when it hits a piece of metal, it can penetrate that piece of steel to defeat whatever is inside the vehicle. We can also carry rocket pods, carrying 19 rockets per pod. And we have different kinds of rockets that we can use. We have the normal point detonating rocket, which just hits the target and explodes. We have flechette rockets, which have an air burst, and they shoot fragmentation all over the battlefield. We also have smoke rockets to create a smoke screen so the enemy can't see us. And we also have illumination rockets, so to light up the battlefield so we can see at night. So on the side of the helmet are infrared sensors, and also in the cockpit are infrared sensors, and they measure where the helmet is looking. And so by those measurements they know where I am looking with the HDU in front of my eye, and that signal will be sent to the cannon. And that is how the cannon points in the same direction where the pilot is looking. It's two-seated, the front seat and the back seat. And the front seat is his main job is to guide the weapons. So he's mainly looking at his screen, searching for targets, and he will use the laser and the sensor that's on the nose of the aircraft to fire his weapons. And the back seat, his main job is to fly the aircraft. So he's mostly looking outside and doing the actual flying. But the special thing is that you can do both jobs from the front and the back. So the guy in the front, he can also fly the aircraft and fire the weapons, and the guy in the back, his main job is flying the aircraft, but he can also fire the weapons if he has to.
The NH-90 is the latest acquisition of the Belgian Air Force. Belgium has ordered 10 NH helicopters, including 4 aircraft in the tactical transport helicopter and 4 versions in the naval version, NATO frigate helicopter. Another German helicopter at Helidays 2017 is the AC-135 SHS, used by the German Army. The main mission of this helicopter is the training. The MD-902 Explorer is a multi-purpose twin-engine helicopter used by the Belgian police as air support.